So these are the 7 business model for engineers. One is manufacturing. So manufacturing business model is one of the business that engineers can do. They can go for manufacturing from nut to aircraft, from small screw to big ships. Manufacturing is one of the business model. It has its own advantages and disadvantages. So manufacturing is one of the business model. The second business model for engineers is that they can get into services. So service can be anything from designing, testing, machining, calibration, and hardening, any process. If they want to do as a service, there is n number of things in the engineering field that you can provide as a service. So service is the other model. Then they can also get into, third model is distribution. If somebody is manufacturing some product, you can be a distributor of that product for a particular area. So you can give sales and service support. Both you can provide. And the fourth one is retailer. In retailer is like that. Retail business is that where it may be more locally, maybe to a particular store only you will be holding and doing the business. There also you will be focusing on the sales and after sales service support and all those kind of things. Then the fifth model is franchisee type. It's like that. It's more related to services. In engineering side, you can see some brand is there. We can use that brand and we can open a workshop. The more reliability will be there on the people, so that instead of we starting alone that service, if you are connected to with a bigger brand, then we have to give a royalty or franchisee fees to them with every service to give to the customers. So that is the other kind of model where you can use the brand of a bigger company and do the business. And then the sixth one is aggregator type business. Aggregator type business is like that, where you create a online platform from where you can sell similar products, bringing them into your brand. Many platform portals are available where people can directly use that platform to purchase directly. In other commercial field, you have Ole for the transportation system, and you Uber and all, and you have Oyo. Oyo is the house room rent for the accommodation people are using. So like that, services we can bring into the engineering field also, where you can provide a particular product, create a platform and can sell. Your platform is related to CNC machine, then you can put all kind of CNC machine on your portal. You can tie up with the manufacturer and give the right price there, so that people, the customers can come and compare the features and prices, and then can directly give advance or purchase from them. So like that, portals or e-commerce sites we can create. So that is the sixth model. And the seventh type of business that engineers can do is that knowledge-based business, where engineers are looking for a particular kind of knowledge. So if you are ready to share the knowledge, you can do it as also as a business, wherever to the required people. If you are sharing that knowledge, it known as the knowledge business. So this is the 7 type of business that engineers can do.